Jimin, John,
What?
you guys hear me, not right? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay, finally. Okay, very good.
Okay, Tadala, can you explain what you're doing?
Yeah, I was basically adding data for few characters in the. I just finished adding for Ziggs some abilities, E ability and Q ability, and I'm currently facing difficulties in the Gradle in under Studio. So if any one of you can help me, and
I think
that's
you're
all
doing
from
the
me.
ratio wrong. If the ratio, I told you, the ratio should be all numbers, and I still see string in it.
Where here? The
The
ratio.
ratio.
Yeah,
Like for the
ratio
empty
80.
ratio, it shouldn't be string. If it is string, then it will crash the program. Like the
Oh,
ratio
the
80 should be, it needs to be string, and then it needs to have 5 field. It needs to have
the
5 0
80.
in
I
it.
think the for this it doesn't have ratio
I know,
80.
that's
So
why I'm saying it needs to be 0 still.
okay,
I told you
I'm
to
gonna
like
add
make it
0.
5 zeros. Yeah. It needs 5 0. So fix it and then okay. You need to go over the code. Do you write any code?
No, I couldn't load the. I'm facing like the Gradle dependency issue. So if any one of you can push,
It's really easy.
to,
Just check the GitHub what Jimin push, the Gradle changes, just roll it back and then that's all. That's just comment it out.
yeah,
Just look at the
if you
GitHub.
can push it, that'll be better.
I don't need to
Thank
push
you.
it. You can do it yourself. It's really simple.
Yeah, I'm working on it, bro. Like,
Okay, I'll push it. Whatever, I'll push it. Okay,
yeah, I'm working on it.
okay.
Like, you don't have to. All right, that's for me.
Okay, who is next? I'll go next.
Okay, you can do the last. Okay.
Okay, so I'm sharing my screen, John. Okay, let's see. One sec. So what I'm working on was
You're not sharing your screen.
yeah, I'm sharing 1 sec. So I mostly work on the GUI and unit test, right? And since our GUI was very complex, we had like a lot of things in one thing. Here is our project. Here is our fragment first. Don't need this. This is our content.
Furkan,
Yeah.
did you do first crack test?
We'll talk about it. Let me show you what I did.
Okay.
Okay. This is activity main. Fragment first. Content main. Okay. Activity main. Activity login. Fragment second. Yeah. So these are like scroll view, text views, a lot of text views. And here like there is like relative layout. And in relative layout we did just like dense, a lot of text view because we wanted to sort like this. But sometimes we need like it's two different columns. So what we did like in a cart view, we created another relative layout, and after that another relative layout, and like we changed the size so we can make a columns. We did some tricks, similar tricks like that here as well. What else? We have one more fragment that I've been working on. Where is it? Not content activity register. Oh yeah, I removed that because we need it for later. But there is also one more layout I have in another project, because for this fragment we didn't need those, but we can add more card views into items section as well. But we don't need it right now. And now I'm working on the unit test for the main activities and other things. Yeah, so that's it. I don't need help right now, but we'll see how the unit test will go. Anything to add?
You should pull the latest update.
Yeah.
Yeah. I updated the GUI as
Okay.
well.
That's nice.
Yes. I guess Jimin, it's your turn.
Okay, Trigger, when can you finish your unit test?
I'm working on it right now. We'll see, like maybe like an hour for the main activity and first fragment.
I'm working unit test during
Okay, yeah, we'll talk about it after this is for recording, right? For the submission. We can talk about after recording. Yeah. So do you want to show what you did so far, Jimin?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing user account test and I'm doing login unit test.
Okay.
They still have errors, so I'm resolving these errors. Yeah.
Okay.
And I made login activity, main register activity, and user account. Yeah. And I made item selection. Yeah.
What did you do previously? I remember you did something else too, like before unit test.
What?
You did some UI user
I
interface?
made this.
Okay.
Made item selection, and I made authentication login page and register page.
Yeah.
And I
You
made
did the
if
selection. Now looks really good.
and I made if I click this, they change the page, and
Yeah.
I made this one
Selection page. Okay.
login page
Really nice.
and register page. Yeah.
Okay. Do you think we should add? She has anything to add, John?
Yeah, it's time for me to share screen.
Okay. John.
Okay. So what I made the champion classes where it will load, which is the champion objects that we're gonna work on, and then in the second fragment, I made the in-class HTTP fetching, where it will first call the field model class, which will store the fetch data in all life cycle, which is here, and then it will fetch from the API using the website, do a HTTP request, and then become a JSON package, and then I pass it into a champion object, and then also using the database
And
to
that's the League of
collect.
Legends API, right?
Yes.
That's where we get it. Yeah.
Yes.
Which is
And then I'll
really
use the
nice.
database to collect all the manual input abilities data, because the API from Riot is not completed. That's why we need to manually put all the data
Yeah.
for the abilities into the database. So this part, the second part, is for the database retrieval. And afterward, I made the code to set all the text field here.
Yeah.
Which is setting all these.
Yeah.
All these data, the abilities name, the number, and then also make the calculation method inside, which is here.
Really nice.
And then currently I'm working on the item selection activity,
Okay.
which is this one. So currently the app can, after I modify the GUI as well. The
Yeah,
item
it's
right now
fine.
is when we press the plus icon, it will navigate to the item selection page, and then when you click it, it will navigate back. But I'm working on passing the data back. I already tested it. It can fetch the data from fetch the item data, but I still need to figure out how to pass it back to the fragment 2, and then and then change the image and then pass the data to the champion object.
Very good. Yeah, it's a lot of work. No, yeah, you put too much effort. Thank you.
And then what else? Yes, I think I need help on the passing data back to the
GUI.
Yeah, to the GUI, because
Yeah,
I
let's
can't
see.
figure it out.
I'll
It's
try to finish like in a couple hours with the test. And when you're done with your part, and if we done with Jim and I done with the test,
the problem is like
what
when I
will be the
call the
next step?
update, it doesn't really work. It doesn't seem to invoke in the log in the logcat, it doesn't show this line. So I can tell it's not calling this in class method at all. So I still need to look at it and figure out
Yeah,
how to do it.
but maybe don't spend too much time. If we have anything to do, we can do. But
Yeah.
this might be.
But this is like
Yeah.
one of the important part of this project, like
Yeah, I
to
know,
modify the number.
but sometimes
So
it
I
just
still
doesn't work.
need help with that. And then what else do I do? I revamp the GUI, and then yeah, that's it. Basically it.
Yeah. Yeah. Then we done, I guess. I mean, we cannot make it perfect, but after when we are submit our project, I think we'll be with the professor again, so we can make our second update. Will fix the the main issues maybe. But yeah, we have time. I'll be there all day today. I'll be here all day today. Let's work and do best we can do.
Furkan, if you finish your test, let me know because
Okay, I'm working on it. I'll just give me an hour or two.
this test is very hard to make, so I think
Jimmy, like remember we had a project that we did test before. It was our
What?
first project, I think, in class.
yeah, but very different.
It is, but actually it's not.
No, I'll just do it. Just do it.
It is just yeah. It's like but just if you understand the main concept, it will be easy. And look YouTube, watch some YouTube videos, or like if I can be finished, I'll finish and you can look at mine because what you have
Okay.
the problem is like mostly like the library you using, I think.
Okay,
Like you don't
okay.
see like it doesn't see the like your activities and stuff because we could try to copy and paste. Yeah, I'll text you. Okay.
Then finish, let me know.
Okay.
Okay.
So we done with the recording.
I'll pause the recording